Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Leo and Anna English. Today, I have a question for Leo. Do you get nervous when your phone rings?
Every time. Especially if I don't know the number.
Wait, even in English?
Especially in English. Honestly, it's not just the language.
No?
Phone calls are just scary in general.
True. My hands actually get sweaty.
Every single time?
Every single time. It's ridiculous.
It's not ridiculous. It's very real.
Thanks, Leo. That actually helps. We're not alone in this, clearly.
Definitely not.
Okay, so today's topic is perfect for you.
What are we talking about?
Phone calls, step by step.
Oh no.
Don't worry, we'll make it really easy.
All right. Let's start with the basics.
When you answer the phone, don't just say hello.
Right. Say your name too.
Like, hello, this is Anna speaking.
That sounds so professional.
Well, it took me years to learn that.
Only years?
Okay, maybe I still forget sometimes.
Good to know.
At work, always use your full name.
And with friends?
With friends, your first name is fine.
Good. I don't want to sound too formal with my mom.
Hello, this is Leo Anderson speaking to your mom,
That would be so weird.
right? Save that for work calls.
What about calling a company, though?
Then always use your full name,
Even if they don't ask?
even if they don't ask. It's polite. There's a shorter way too, by the way.
What's that?
If someone asks, is Anna there? You just say, speaking.
Just one word?
Just one word. Simple and clear.
I like that. Less to remember.
Let's practice real quick.
Okay, I'm ready.
Ring, ring. Your phone is ringing.
Hello, this is Leo speaking.
Perfect. See? That wasn't so hard.
Actually, that felt kind of good.
Told you. Exactly. Now, here's a real story for you.
Uh-oh, this sounds embarrassing already.
Last month, I called a pizza place. I picked up my phone and I could not speak. The man said, hello, 3 times. I finally said, this is, a person who wants pizza?
A person who wants pizza?
I panicked, okay?
That might be the best introduction ever.
Please, let's move on.
Okay, step 2, asking for someone.
You don't just say, give me Leo.
Please don't say that.
Say, could I speak to Leo, please?
Nice and polite.
Or, is Leo there, please?
Both work perfectly fine.
You can also just say the person's name.
Like, Leo, please?
Exactly. Short, but still polite enough. Honestly, I avoid phone calls completely sometimes.
What? How?
I just text people back instead.
You can't text a doctor's office, Anna.
I mean, I try. It works most of the time.
Until it doesn't.
Last year, I missed a bank appointment. They called to confirm. I never answered.
What happened?
I had to start the whole process again. 2 extra weeks just because of one call.
See, that's exactly my point.
Fine. Maybe I need this episode too.
Everyone needs this episode, honestly.
True. Phone calls just feel different. Why do you think that is? I guess you can't see the other person. No face, no smile, just voice. You also can't use your hands to explain.
True. No pointing, no gestures, just words. That's actually a really good point. Honestly, I have my own confession too.
Oh, this should be good.
I once let a call ring 5 times. Same number. I just couldn't answer.
5 times?
I was way too nervous.
Leo, that's exactly what I do.
I know, we're both guilty. Once, I even asked my sister to call instead, just to book a table at a restaurant.
That's amazing, honestly.
I know, it's silly.
At least we're guilty together. There's a trick that helps me feel calmer, though.
What trick?
I write down what I want to say first.
Like a mini script?
Exactly. Just 3 or 4 lines.
Huh, I never thought of that.
Try it before your next call.
Okay, deal.
You could even say it out loud once.
Like a rehearsal?
Exactly. It helps your mouth remember the words.
That's such a good idea, actually.
Okay, here's a useful one for everyone. Hang up.
That means you end the call.
Right, like putting the phone down.
I hung up before he finished talking.
Oops.
It happens to everyone, really.
Try using hang up in a sentence today.
I need to hang up now. Talk later.
Perfect example. Should we save hang on for later too?
Good idea. They're a little different.
How so? Hang on usually means wait a moment.
Oh, that's a nice one to know.
But what happens if you can't hear well?
Oh, that's next.
Welcome back, everyone.
Ready for part 2?
Let's do it.
Last time, we learned how to start a call.
Now let's learn how to survive the middle.
The tricky part, basically.
Exactly, the tricky part. Okay, so what if the line is bad?
Or someone talks really fast.
Then you say, sorry, could you say that again?
Or, could you speak up a little, please?
Speak up means talk louder.
Exactly. Simple and polite.
Let's try it. Imagine a bad connection.
Okay. Sorry, could you say that again?
Perfect. Nice and clear.
See, I'm getting better already.
You really are.
There's also, can you hear me now?
Good one. Short and direct.
I feel like I could survive a call now.
See, you're already improving. There's another useful one for names.
What's that?
Could you spell that for me, please?
Oh, that's smart. Names are so hard to catch.
Especially over the phone. No lips to read.
How do you spell a tricky name, though?
You can say L as in Leo.
Oh, that's clever. One letter at a time.
Exactly. It avoids all confusion.
Let's try spelling my last name.
Go on.
A-N-D-E-R-S-O-N.
Anderson. Perfect. Nice and slow, too.
Slow is the secret, honestly.
Try it with your own name later.
I will. Good homework.
True. Okay, here's a real story for you two. One time, an unknown number called me. I just stared at my phone for 10 seconds. Then I didn't answer. I texted them instead. I wrote, sorry, who is this?
You texted a phone call.
It felt safer.
That's exactly what we just talked about.
I know.
So who was it in the end?
Turns out, it was my dentist.
Oh no. Rescheduling by text?
Somehow, yes, it actually worked.
Anna, you're impossible.
Hey, it worked out in the end.
This time.
This time. At least dentists are patient people.
Lucky for you. Now, what if the person isn't there?
You say, she's not here right now.
Then offer to help. Can I take a message?
Or ask them to wait a second. Could you hold on a second?
You can also ask for a call back.
How do you say that?
Could you ask her to call me back?
Nice. That covers almost every situation. Let's practice a full message together.
Okay, I'm the caller this time.
Go ahead.
Hi, is Mike there, please?
I'm sorry, he's not here right now.
Could you ask him to call me back?
Of course. Can I get your name?
Yes, it's Leo. Thanks so much.
See? That wasn't so bad.
Not bad at all. I felt calm.
That's the whole point of practicing.
Practice makes it less scary.
Exactly. Every time gets a little easier.
I actually feel ready for a real call now.
That's the goal of this whole episode.
Hold on a second is really useful.
It means please wait a moment.
You'll hear it in almost every call,
Even from customer service.
especially from customer service.
So true.
Sometimes you hear it 3 times in one call.
At least you know what it means now.
Exactly. No more confusion. Last step. Ending politely.
Thanks for calling. Talk soon.
Or just say, okay, bye for now.
Simple, friendly, done.
You can also say, it was nice talking to you.
That one feels a bit warmer.
Perfect for calls with friends or family.
Good to have options.
So many small phrases, one big skill.
That's language learning in general, really.
You know what I think, Anna?
What?
You know what I think, Anna?
What?
The words don't get easier, you just get braver.
Wow, that's actually true.
So that's the whole call, start to finish.
Answer, ask, listen, message, end.
5 easy steps.
Well, 5 steps. Not always easy.
Fair enough. 5 learnable steps.
Much better.
And that's the real win today.
Bit by bit, call by call.
Every call gets a little less scary.
One phone call at a time. Okay, one small favor before we go.
If this episode helped you, hit subscribe.
It really helps our small channel grow.
And tell us your favorite phrase below.
We read every single comment.
Subscribe to Leo and Anna English, okay?
Every subscriber genuinely helps us keep going.
We see every single one, promise.
Seriously, thank you for being here.
All right, that's it for today.
Go make a phone call. in English.
Baby steps, Anna, baby steps.
See you next time on Leo and Anna English.
Until then, take care of yourselves and keep practicing those phone calls.
Bye, everyone.